Turbo Builder's Bog. It'll fill the rotting hole and complete the broken frame, repair the damaged piece and cover the odd mistake. Made from a new generation of synthetic resin materials, Turbo Builder's Bog is the only product of its type in Australasia. Turbo Builder's Bog can be used inside or outside, is rot-proof, borer-proof and water-resistant. Turbo Builder's Bog. To show how easy it is to use Turbo Builder's Bog, here's an example. Always clean the surface you're working, which in this case means hacking out the rot. Ensure the wood underneath is dry and smooth any surfaces that are rough. Turbo Builder's Bog sets quite fast, so don't mix more than you can use straight away. Unique to Turbo Builder's Bog, you can vary the speed at which it hardens by using less hardener to slow down the setting process or use more hardener to speed the process up. To help measure the mix, take the amount of Builder's Bog you need and just chop it into matchbox sizes. Adding the appropriate amount of hardener for each portion. For one matchbox size of Builder's Bog, add 1/8 to 1/2 teaspoon of hardener, depending on the speed that you want it to harden. Then mix. Spread in the mixed Turbo Builder's Bog, covering the area and making it proud. Any kind of spreader is fine, but we recommend a thin steel blade. Don't trim until the initial rubberiness has disappeared and good adhesion to the wood has developed. Now use your blade to rough trim the repair. See how easy it is while the Turbo Builder's Bog is in the balsa wood stage of setting. You could also cheese grate it with a surform blade for more controlled shaping. Coarse sand with 36 to 80 grit paper for rapid results, by hand or power. Now you can paint the finished product and treat it as you would the material it has been bonded to. Turbo Builder's Bog can be cast or moulded to recreate an existing shape. To repair a through hole, provide a piece of backing, like this cardboard, attached to wire or string. Feed it through the hole and then pull it so that it provides the backing you need. Then, with a solid piece of 4x2 or something like that, provide tension there by tying the wire from the wood to the backing, so that you can then go and get the filler. Unlike conventional fillers, the thicker the repair, the faster it hardens. Might I add, without shrinkage. During the 10-minute hardening period, we loosened this wire, so now we can just cut it and feed it through. Once Turbo Builder's Bog has hardened, you can nail it, file it, saw it, chisel it, sand it, paint it, or just hide it. Turbo Builder's Bog is filling up the holes in Australasia.